In this video, I'm going to show you the My Target Company list. This is a list of companies that you're interested in working for or just learning more about. I'm going to show you how this list is built in our Notion playbook. This is in the Introverted Networker Playbook. I'm just going to walk through the information that's in here. In some of the other resources, videos, the tasks, we'll talk about how to add companies to this list and then what to do with the list. To start off, you can see a couple companies on here. These are just examples. You don't have to leave these companies on your company list. You can come over here and click on this 6 dots here, and you can always delete it if you want to. If you're going to add a new company, you come down here and just click new, and you'll start typing in the name of the company and then all of this other information. The information we're collecting, if you click open here on the name, it'll bring up this information, and you can always expand this into a full page. But you can put the logo here or leave it. None of this is required. It's information you can put in if it's going to be helpful for you. I have an indicator of excitement here in terms of how excited you'd be to work for this company. You can put in their website, their LinkedIn site, maybe their careers website where you would go to apply for a job there. Short description if you need more information to remember about the company. You can put in the employees or not. Location, probably close to wherever you live or where you're looking for a role or where the company's located. If you want to put the headquarters location in there, you can do that. On the industry, I've got this pre-populated with some industries. You can always add an industry if you feel like I haven't captured the one that you want. You can put it in here, just start typing, it'll add it. This is good for grouping companies when you get a bunch of here. If you want to see, well, what are my healthcare target companies? You could click on that and see those companies within healthcare. So if you were talking to somebody in healthcare, you say, I've got these 3 companies, real easily explain to them who you're targeting. Or if you're talking to somebody else and it's in financial services, you can pull up those companies. So just an easy way to manage your list. The about, you can put whatever you want in here, and then you can add notes about any interactions you had with the company or anything you think is interesting about them. You can do whatever you want here. If you come back to My Target Companies, you'll see this layout again. It's just a real simple table layout. It's just to organize this. We're going to talk more about what to do with this and some of the other tasks and steps, but just wanted to show you what this looked like. The other thing is if you update this in one place, in one task, it's going to update it everywhere. So this is a separate table. It's embedded in some of the other tasks and steps here. But if you just do it in one place, that's the only place you have to do it. And if you're ever looking for it, you come over here and it's called My Target Companies.